These are harnesses that are going on river otter. Just doing research on the animals. Nobody's ever done work with harnesses on river otter in the U.S. before. A GPS mounted unit mounted on it with rivets just like that. I knew I wanted to make these harnesses and trying to figure out how to put them together. I have essentially zero sewing experience. I was sitting at home trying to figure out how to put them together. My girlfriend actually mentioned that she had heard about the Maker Zone. They got me set up and were able to turn this into a reality. It's an animal that hasn't been researched at all in this part of the country, so we're just learning a lot more about their spatial ecology, where they're going, spending their time.
It's been really, really fulfilling seeing students in here. It's been busy, and they're just making up a storm. I think because we have such a wide variety of things in here that we can really support creativity, like whatever creativity outlets students have, whether it's digital because they want to design something cool and then go make it, or whether it's hands-on with knitting and crocheting. The supplies are free, using the equipment is free. We have lots of workshops. They can come and learn. You can be faculty, staff, or student, and you can come to the Maker Zone.